We now talk to the Metro Manila Development Authority. Joining us live via Zoom is the agency's officer in charge and general manager, Attorney Don Artes. Good morning, sir. Thank you for joining us. Now, all 70 mayors agreed to keep the alert level 2 in Metro Manila for the rest of the month. Could you tell us what were the factors that spurred the decision of the mayors and the MMDA?
Yes, good morning, Rhea. The Metro Manila Council passed resolution number 22-04 requesting IATF to extend the alert level 2 in NCR until February 28, 2022. This is because only 5 cities are classified as low risk, meaning 12 cities remain under moderate risk classification. This is also in line with the start of the campaign period. The mayors of Metro Manila deem it prudent to wait for the effect of these rallies and political activities to possible spike of cases, because we can see from the news that political activities are possible super spreader events because of large gatherings of crowds, Rhea.
All right, GM, what is your assessment so far of alert level 2 in Metro Manila?
So far, alert level 2 is working.
Mhm.
We see continuous decline in cases here in NCR. As of yesterday, we're around about 500 plus new cases lang.
All right, so that leads us to talk about the vaccination status. As we know, last week we started inoculating kids in the 5 to 11 age range. But when I talked to the acting World Health Organization country representative, Dr. Yadev, he said we need to ramp up vaccination also of senior citizens and those with comorbidities. Could you talk to us a little bit about the status of our vaccination so far here in Metro Manila?
Insofar as Metro Manila is concerned, we reach already the target, more than the target population. However, all over the country, I think we still have about 3 million senior citizens and persons with comorbidities who have yet to be vaccinated. That's why we are finding ways to encourage them to be vaccinated. And also we started already the pedia vaccination for kids ages 5 to 11 so that they can go back to school as soon as possible, Rhea.
Right. Now, sir, you also started talking about the campaign period, and we've been seeing campaign sorties and motorcades here and there. These types of gatherings and these types of events, how do you think they will affect the number of cases here, at least in NCR?
That is one of the reasons being looked upon by the Metro Manila mayors that may result, one of the reasons why the Metro Manila mayors requested the retention of alert level 2 in NCR, because these events will probably result in spike of cases because we can see that there's no social distancing and some of the participants in these rallies were not wearing masks. So we really see that this will have an effect on the spike of cases here in NCR. That's why we requested for alert level 2 so that it will not be result in too much spike in the COVID cases if we open the economy and some industries and sectors here in NCR.
All right. And with that, sir, do you have any reminders for the public before we let you go?
To the public, despite the low number of cases here in NCR, we still encourage you to observe the minimum public health standard, still wear masks, and ensure social distancing so that we can go back to normal. And we also encourage parents to have their kids vaccinated so they can go back to school. Thank you, Ria, and good morning.
All right. Thank you for that, sir. Of course, that was MMDA Officer in Charge and General Manager Don Artes.